Good evening, mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 7th chapter triangles. Today we will learn the new exercise 7.3. Today we will learn the 1 to 4 problems in this exercise. Remaining problems after later I will meet you next class only. Okay. Total is 8 problems is there in this exercise. Okay. Today only 4 problems. Today we will learn it only. One by one today we will learn it. Are you understood of the previous class?
Yes.
Theorem 7.5 theorem it's over.
Okay.
Previous class.
Okay.
What's the theorem?
7.5.
RHS congruence rule.
Yes.
What's the theorem name? RHS congruence rule. What is the RHS congruence rule? Are you understood?
Yes.
Prove this theorem. Are you understood?
Yes.
If in two right triangles the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the another triangle or other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Yes.
That is the RHS congruence rule. Yeah, that theorem is over. Based on those theorem, today we will learn the exercise problems. 1 to 4 problems. Today we will learn it only.
Okay.
Are you understood this theorem?
Yes.
Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Shall I start with the today class?
Yes.
Be carefully, listen better neatly.
Yes.
Look at this textbook. Be carefully listen. Yeah, first question in Telangana State Book, page number 168. First problem. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC, so that first question AD bisects BC, second one AD bisects angle A. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal AC, so that first question AD bisects BC, second one AD bisects angle A. This is the question. First I will explain this question. What is given, what is asked. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC is given. Do you know the altitude? Perpendicular distance. We know that one. Perpendicular symbol. Their altitude. ABC is an isosceles triangle is given. And next AB equal to AC. Isosceles triangles means what's the isosceles triangle? Any two sides are is it equal only. So this side AB equal to AC side is equal. Show that these two questions. We need to prove these two questions. We need to show that one. Okay. First given data how to write it in our given problem. What is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle. AD is an altitude. AB equal to AC is given. To show that these two questions. AD bisects BC and second one is the AD bisects angle A only. These two questions we need to prove these two questions. So how to show that these two. Okay. Yeah. First let the solution for this problem.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the figure. ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is the ABC isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means the any two sides are is it equal only. So this side is equal. AB is equal to AC only. Isosceles means. So AD is an altitude. Altitude. This is the altitude. Altitude means is the perpendicular distance. So this angle is 90 degrees and this side is angle is also 90 degrees only. Okay. AD is perpendicular to BC. And we have to show that these two questions.
Okay.
Yeah, one by one. Right, first step by step. Triangle ABC is an isosceles. Let the solution for this problem. Be carefully listen better neatly. Okay. Isosceles triangle. And next AB is equal to AC is given. So in this triangle, in this figure, how many triangles are is divided, Gagan say? Here it is two triangles. So first let us take two triangles. What's the triangles? A DB, one triangle. Next ADC, another triangle. Okay, let us consider these two triangles only. First one, this is the 90 degrees only. These two angles is 90 degrees. So first, now in triangle, what's the triangles? Triangle of ADB. Yeah, one more point here, write it Gagan sai. In our this one is also AD is perpendicular to BC also. Okay, that's it. Yeah, next in triangle of ADB and another one is the, what's the triangle? And triangle of ADC.
C.
So in these two triangles, what can I write? What is given in these two triangles? Okay, in these two triangles, which one is the common? AD is the common only. This side is common and AB is equal to AC is given. Okay, AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to A. Why it is equal? This is the, since this is common side only. These two triangles, what's the common side? AD is the common side. And next AB equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. These two sides are, is it equal? Why it is equal? These two are is given only. Isosceles triangle is given. So that's why these two are, is it equal? And next angles is equal. What's the angles are, is it equal? ADB is equal to angle of ADC. Angles are, is it equal? These two angles are, is it equal? Why it is equal? Altitude is given only. AD is the altitude only. So that's why these two angles is equal only. Okay, what's the angles are, is it equal? ADB is equal to, and the triangle is ADC only. Why it is equal? Given only. Given are 90 degrees each one. Each angle is 90 degrees only. Okay, or given. Okay, are you clear? Now we have 3 steps. Here it is. What's the steps? One step, side, side, side. This is the side, side, angle. Okay. SAS congruence rule, is it possible? Here it is. Check it only. So what's the congruence rules are using in this problem? Check it only. Is it possible? First see, look at this figure. See the figure. Here it is the one side and this is also other side and one angle is given. But in this angle is, this is the right angle. Is it a right angle? Yes, is it right angle? Why it is right angle? This is the symbol is given. Perpendicular symbol is given. Whenever the this symbol is given, this is the right angle only. These two are the right angles only. So that's why this is the right angle only. Right angle. Angle is, here it is only, but not included. Sides, between the sides not included the angle only. Okay. Side, side not included only. So SAS rule, is it possible? No, it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Are you understood the reason?
Yes, understood.
So that's why this is the, what's the congruence rules are apply here, it is RHS rules.
Yes.
Why? Because here it is the right angle triangle only. This is the right angle triangle. According to the RHS rules, these two triangles are, is it congruence?
No.
Yes, is it congruence
Yes, yes.
only. Okay, and triangle of ADB are therefore, yeah, these two triangles, triangle of ADC. Why it is congruence, these two triangles, why it is congruence? According to the RHS congruence rules, or since by using the RHS congruence rules. Do you know the RHS congruence rules, Gagan Sai? You already finished. Or simply is also you write it the theorem 7.5 theorem. Okay. Already finished this theorem. Yeah, these two triangles are is congruent. It's over. But in given question, what we needed to prove this one, AD is bisects BC only. Okay, so that's why the first question, what's the AD is bisects BC one. Here it is the BD is equal DC. Why it is equal these two? Here it is the AD is bisects BC only. So that's why this side is equal only. Okay. First question, AD is bisects BC. We need to prove this one only. So in this above, this one only. In this above these two congruents, whenever these two triangles are congruent, and all are the angles and all are the sides is also equal. CPCT also equal only. By CPCT, yeah, these two sides are, is it equal only? What's the sides? BD is equal to DC. Why it is equal? Since by using CPCT. CPCT of triangle of ADB and triangle of ADC. Okay. BD equal DC. BD equal to DC means it is nothing but AD is bisects of these two. Bisects means is the these two sides are, is it equal only. So that's why, since or therefore AD is bisects. Are you clear? Are you clear, Gagan Sai? These two sides are, is it equal? It is nothing but AD is bisects of these two only. So that's why it is proved only. And next, second question. Second question, what's the second question? AD bisects angle of A1. Yeah, first look at this figure. In these two triangles, which angle is common? Here it is the angle A is common only. Why it is common? Yeah, these two sides are, is it equal only. And here these two triangles are is congruent triangles. Already it's proved only. So that's why, yeah, which angle is common? Here it is angle A is common only. From this figure, it is clear?
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, check this process. What's the process? Here it is the first letter. In these two triangles, first letter is common, angle is also common. And two letters. If check two letters, it is common,
yes.
Sides is common only.
Yes.
So here it is the angle A is common. Here
Yes,
it is
yes.
common,
Yes.
yes, common. And DB is equal to DC,
Oh, yes, yes.
common. Be carefully write the order.
Okay, okay.
While writing the order, be carefully write it only.
Okay.
Check this one. Here it is the AD equal to AD. Yes, AD is equal to AD. And AB is equal to AB. Okay. AB is equal to AB. And next one is the angle D is equal to angle D. Both angles here it is only. They all are, is it equal? Okay. Here it is that angle A is equal to angle A. Is it correct? RHS rule is here it is possible?
No.
RHS rule once verify it only. SAS rule is not using here it is. Why it is not used here it is? Included. Angle is not included in between these two sides only. RHS, is it possible? Yes, possible. Why it is possible? RHS means, do you know the RHS, Gagan Sai? RHS is, what's the RHS? Right angle,
Right angle.
hypotenuse, side
Side.
only. So check it only. Is it verified or not? Check it only. So here it is, and directly is also the symbol is given. This is the right angle symbol. Directly is also write it. Otherwise, you have verify it only. Is it correct or not? Check it only. So right angle. Right angle, is it right angle is there? Yes, right angle
Yes.
is there. It is satisfied. and a hypotenuse there. Perpendicular single, opposite side is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Okay. Yeah, this is also satisfied, and side, this side and this side, any one side only. So this is also satisfied. So according to the RHS rule, these two triangles are is congruent, and this common angle A is equal to angle A. This is also common angle only. So AD is bisects of angle A. Yes, bisects angle only. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
Yeah, from this figure it is clear. Yes, it is clear only. Otherwise, check this process is also clear. It angle, all are the angles are is it equal, all are the sides is also equal only. So second question. What's the second question? AD bisects angle A. So here it is the angle A is equal angle A. Why it is equal? These two are is the common angle. Otherwise AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, or common angle. Or CPCT. Okay, or CPCT also. By CPCT these two angles are is it equal only. So that's why, what's the angle? This is the how to write it, the angle you already learned only. BAD is equal, angle of BAD is equal to angle of BAC only, middle term. Okay, whatever the angle we want, that angle is, you write it in our middle letter, you write it only. So that's why here these two angles are is it equal. Why it is equal? You already know that, given only. So that's these two angles are is it equal. By CPCT these two angles are is it equal. So here it is the AD is bisects of angle A. Okay, therefore AD bisects angle A. Angle A, otherwise angle A. Okay, it is proved. Hence it is proved. It is proved, Gagan sir. Are you understood? Yeah, this is the problem solution. It's over. Are you clear? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. This problem solution is over, and next we'll move on to the next question. Look at this textbook, Gagan sir. Be carefully listen. Two sides AB, BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ and QR and median PN of triangle of PQR. See figure. Show that first question and second one. Triangle of ABM congruent to triangle of PQN, and second one triangle of ABC congruent to triangle of PQR.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the question. Yeah, first I will explain this question only. First, what is given, what is asked in this question. Yeah, this is the two figures is give. In these two figures, what sides are equal? AB is equal to PQ. Why it is equal? This symbol. This is the line. These two sides is equal. And next, this side is also AM is equal, PN is equal. Why it is equal? The symbol is given. So that's why this is equal. And this AM is median and PN is median only. This is the ABC triangle and this is the PQR triangle. Okay, are you clear? And here it is the one more point. BC is equal QR is give. AB is equal to PQ and BC equal to QR. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
And next, show that. So that these two questions are, show that. First question, triangle of ABM congruent to triangle of PQN. ABM, this triangle and equal to PQN, this triangle, this part, only this left side part. How many triangles are there? Each figure, two triangles. So first triangles, this first figure, first triangle, and second figure, first triangle. These two triangles are congruent. We have to show that. These two triangles are congruent. Okay, we need to prove this one only. So first question. Are you understood explanation, Gagan Sai?
Yes, understood.
First given data, how to write it in our given problem. In triangle ABC, AB, BC are two sides AM equal to median and another triangle, and in PQ and QR is two sides only. And next PN equal to median and triangle of ABC equal to triangle of PQR. That is nothing but AB, in these two triangles AB equal to PQ and BC equal to QR and AM, PN, two medians is give to prove or to show. How to show that? Okay, how to show that? These two questions, how to show that? Let the solution for this problem. Yeah, from these two figures, what is given from these two figures? From these two figures, what is given? What's the triangles? ABC, triangle of ABC, and another triangle is triangle of PQR triangle. What is given in these two triangles? What is given? What side are equal? AB is equal to PQ. PQ. And another side is AM is equal to what's the? PN. AM is equal to PN. These two sides is equal is given. And another one is BC. BC is equal to QR. Is given in these two triangles. Yeah, first question. What's that? Triangle of ABM congruent to triangle of PQN. You have to show that these two triangles are congruent. You have to show that. So now let us take these two triangles. Why it is take these two triangles? You have to show that these two triangles are congruent only. So that's why we take these two triangles. What's the triangles? In triangle of ABM triangle, in triangle ABM, one triangle, and the triangle is, what's the another triangle?
Another triangle
PQN. In these two triangles, what is given? AB equal PQ is given. AB is equal to PQ. This side, why it is equal? These two, why it is equal? This is given only. Since given, these two sides is equal. And next is, here it is the AM is equal to PN is give. One side is it equal. AM is equal PN. Is it equal? Why it is equal? This is also given in given problem. From these two figures, these two sides are is given only. So next one, apart from anything is there, BC is equal, QR is given. Okay, so here BC equal QR is give. This side is equal is give. Okay, so now I am going to dividing by 2 on both sides only. Okay, here directly is not given only. So here this is not given only. BM is equal to and QN is equal to is not given only. So this side is equal only. What I am going to now, this is divide only. Divide by 2 on both sides. Okay. So BC by 2 and equal to QR by 2. It is nothing but BC by 2. It is nothing but what's the BC by 2? It is nothing but BM only. So here it is the QR. It is nothing. QR by 2. It is nothing but what's the QN. Otherwise MCR and NR only. So but we want this one only, BM only. So that's why BC by 2, it is nothing but what's the BM, and QR by 2, it is nothing but what's the QN. Okay, this side is also equal. Okay, are you clear? So this is the equation number 1. So here write it, that two sides, you write it here, it is BM is equal to QN. So why it is equal? Here this is fluid. Since it is fluid from equation, in equation 1, it is fluid only. Okay, means equation 1, it is fluid only.
Yes.
These two sides is equal only.
Yes.
Now we have 3 steps. What's the steps? Side, side, side. This is side, this is side, side. So what's the congruence rules are using here? It is yes, yes, yes. Congruence rules are using in this problem only. So according to the SS congruence rules, these two triangles are, is it a congruence? Yes, congruence one. Okay, what's the reason? Are you understood? Therefore, triangle of ABM triangle is congruence to, be carefully while writing the order.
Yes.
ABM,
ABM.
a triangle of PQN.
Yes.
Once check it, order, once check it only. AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ, is it okay?
Yes.
Next, AM. AM is equal to PN. Yes, it is also equal. And BM is equal to, here it is the BM is equal to QN. Yes, BM is equal to QN. So order is also, it's correct? Yes, is it correct only? Why it is these two triangles are congruent? What's the reason? Since what's the congruence rules are using here? It is yes, yes, yes. Congruence rules.
Yes, yes, yes. Congruence rule.
SS congruence rule are using in this problem.
Okay.
According to this rule, these two triangles are is congruent only. Okay. Yeah, first question, it is fluid. Therefore, or hence it is fluid. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? First question is over, and next, second one. What's the second one? Triangle of ABC is congruent to triangle of PQR. Okay, are you clear? This triangle of ABC. This triangle is equal to PQR. This triangle.
PQR.
Yeah. Now let us take these two triangles. Now in these two triangles, what's the triangles? Triangle of ABC and triangle of, what's the triangle? PQR. In these two triangles, what is equal? What are the equals? In the, what are the sides are equal? AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ. Yeah, this is given. Since why it is equal? This is given. Okay, next, another one is BC equal QR.
Yes.
BC is equal to QR is given in given problem only. So BC equal QR. Yeah, this is given. Since this is also given. And next, angle. What's the angle are equal in this given question? Yeah, these two triangles are, is it a congruence triangle gagansa in that say above ABM is equal to PQN. These two triangles are, is it a congruence only? Whenever these two triangles are, is it a congruence, CPCT is also equal. CPCT means is the corresponding sides and angles are, is it also equal only. So here it is the angle of B is equal, angle of B is equal to angle of Q. Is it correct? Yeah, this is the equation number 2. Since why it is equal? Yes, since CPCT. Okay. Angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q and angle M is equal to angle N only. All are the sides and all are the angles are is it equal only. So angle B is equal to angle Q. So this side angle is equal to this side. Is both angles are is it equal only. So why it is equal, are you understood? By CPCT. By CPCT these two angles are is it equal only. So angle of B is equal to angle of Q. Why it is equal? Since CPCT. CPCT of triangle of ABM and triangle of PQL. Yeah, in these two triangles, apart from anything is given, nothing is given only. So here it is only. In these two triangles, above in these two triangles, here it is angle B is equal to angle Q. Since CPCT of ABM and triangle of PQR. Otherwise, here it is that what's the proved above in equation 2. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, this is the equation number 2. Okay, it is nothing apart from, is nothing is given only in these two figures only. So that's why by CPCT these two angles are is it equal. This is the equation number 2 only. So angle B is equal to angle Q. You write it here, that step you write it here. It is angle B is equal to angle Q only. Why it is equal? CPCT of these two triangles only. So now here what's the side angle?
Yes.
Okay. So what's the congruence rules are using here? It is the side angle. So SAS rule. According to the SAS rule, these two triangles are is it congruent or not?
Yes.
Yes, congruent only. Why it is congruent? Are you understood?
Yes. Yes, rule.
Therefore, triangle of ABC is congruent to triangle of PQR. What's the reason? Since SAS congruence rule. According to this rule, these two triangles are congruent. Are you clear? Hence it is proved. Are you understood, Gagan Sai? Yeah, this very simple. This problem solution is very simple only. So that's why these two angles is equal and side is also equal. These two sides and this angle. Side included angle. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
What's the congruence rules? This one. Side angle side.
Yes.
According to the
Yes.
Congruence rules,
Congruence
these two triangles are is equal. In this another triangle is also same, side angle side. So
Yes.
that's why these two triangles are congruent only. This problem solution is over.
Yes.
And next we'll move on to the next question, third question. Be carefully, listen better neatly. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC using RHS congruence rule. Prove that the triangle ABC is isosceles. Yeah, this is question is given only. So first I will explain this problem. What is given, what is asked. B and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. ABC triangle is given and B and CF is the two altitude. Altitudes are is it equal is given. And using the RHS congruence rule, prove that the triangle ABC is an isosceles. By using the RHS congruence rules, we have to prove this one only. triangle of ABC is an isosceles. Or isosceles means is the AB is equal to AC. Isosceles means is the any two sides are is it equal. Then the triangle is called as the isosceles triangle. So let us prove this one only. Okay. Since what's the congruency rules is mentioning there only. Here it is. In this problem is mentioning there. RHS congruency rules are using only. Okay. You have to prove this one only. First, given it how to write it in our given problem. In triangle of ABC, B and CF are two equal altitudes by using RHS congruence rules to prove that the triangle of ABC is a isosceles triangle. Let the solution for this problem. Yeah, first let us draw the ABC triangle. Other these are this anyone only. Okay, let us draw the ABC triangle. And next, in ABC triangle, BE and CF are two equal altitudes is give. Two equal altitudes. These two equal. What's the equal? BE equal to CF.
CF. B equal to CF.
Yeah, altitude means is the perpendicular distance. Symbol is give. Here this is the altitude only. You understood? Perpendicular symbols is there. This is the symbols is there. These two is the altitudes are is it equal only. So since by using the congruence rules, we have to prove this one only. We need to prove this the ABC is an isosceles triangle. Next, write it one by one point. In triangle of ABC, otherwise from the figure. What's the name? Figure name is ABC triangle. ABC triangle. What is given? B is equal to CF. These two are is equal is give. Altitudes are is it equal is given only. And this is given. Since it is given. And next, these two angles are is it. This is the E and this is the F one. Angle E is equal to angle F is equal to what's the 90 degrees is given. Okay, are you understood? Perpendicular. Why it is 90 degrees? This is the perpendicular symbol is given. So that's why it's a 90 degrees is given only. Next, how to prove this? ABC is an isosceles triangle or not? So first, let us take these two triangles. What's the triangles? BCE. One triangle. Next, CBF. Another triangle. Okay. Let us take these two triangles. So why it is take these two triangles? We have to prove this the isosceles triangles. ABC is an isosceles triangles. So this side and this side is it equal only. Isosceles means is the what's the AB equal to AC only. So that's why I have to take these two triangles only. Now triangle of what's the triangles? BCE. Let us take these two triangles. What's the triangles? BCE. One triangle. Next CBF. Another triangle. Okay. BCE. One triangle and another triangle is what's the another triangle? CBF. CBF. In these two triangles, what are equal? Here it is the BC is equal to, this is the BC. BC equal to BC. Okay. BC is equal to BC. In these two triangles, which is the common side? Here it is the Gagan side, BCE. And next CBF. So this side is equal only. Other individual is also you can draw here it is. Okay. This part and this part. Two triangles. This is the equal. Why it is equal?
Yes.
These two are is the common sides.
Okay.
Common side. Since common side. BC equal to BC is the common side. And next another side is what's the another side? B is equal CF. Okay, are you clear? B equals CF. Yeah, this is given. Yeah, why it is equal? These two are is the altitudes only. So altitudes are is it equal only. Okay, this is given. Altitudes, these two are is the altitude is given, and angle is give. What's the angle is give? One angle is give. Yeah, this is the B angle of BEC angle. Angle of BEC equal to angle of what's the CFB. CFB. These two angles are is it equal? Why it is equal? This is given. Perpendicular symbol. So otherwise 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees is given. Okay. This figure or this figure? Anyone? Okay. Are you clear? Now we have how many steps here? It is 3 steps. So first one, side angle. So side, this is side angle on. So what's the congruence rule? Here it is the SAS. Is it possible or not? One check it on. Yeah, but in given problem is already rule is mentioning there. RHS congruence rules are using in this problem only. Already mentioning there, and another is also perpendicular symbols is also there. These two are is the right angles only. So right angles is not included. This sides included. This side and this side is not included the angle only. Okay, this side but not included angle. Here it is the angle only. So that's why RHS rule. According to the RHS rules, these two triangles are is it congruence? Yes, is it congruence only. Okay. Why it is not use the SAS? Not use this congruence rule. Why it is? Are you understood? Yeah, this is the perpendicular right angle only. This is the right angle is give. So that's why it is not use this congruence rules. What's the congruence rules? SAS rule. Not use only. So since what's the rule? Congruence rules. RHS congruence rules. These two triangles are is it equal only. So you write at that point. Therefore, RNs. Therefore, what's that? BCE is congruence to order. Otherwise, you write it on triangle of CBF. Order once check it on. BC is called BC. Yes, BC is called BC, and CE equal BF. And next B is equal CF1. So that's why according to the rule. What's the rule? RHS rule. Since RHS congruence rule, these two, and next angles also. C angle equal to angle F angle. So that's why all are is it satisfied? S is it satisfied only. So that's why RHS rule. RHS rule means is a perpendicular symbol. Opposite side is hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse and this is the side only. RHS, is it check it only. Is it verified or not? This congruence rule is it verified or not? Once you check it only. RHS means is the right angle, hypotenuse, side only. So one right angle is there in this triangle. Yes, is it satisfied only. And another is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is there in these two triangles. Yes, hypotenuse is there. So that's why that is also satisfied. And one side is there, this side, and next this side or this side only. So that's why this is also satisfied only. So according to this rule, these two triangles are is congruent. Yes, it is congruent only. It is proved. And next, in this given question, what we needed to prove in this given question, ABC is an isosceles triangle, not this one only. So that's why whenever the two triangles are rigid congruent, all are the CPCT equal only. All are the angles and all are the sides is also equal. So here it is angle of B is equal to angle of C. Why it is equal? Since CPCT. Okay, since CPCT. Here it is CPCT means here it is that angle of B is equal to angle of C. So here it is this side and this side. Okay, sides opposite to equal angles are is it equal. Okay, so side is the AB is equal to AC. Okay, since what's the sides? Why it is equal? Are you understood? Sides opposite angles. Opposite equal angles are is it equal? Equal angles are equal. Okay, these two AB is equal to AC and angle B is equal to angle C. Are you clear? Yeah, only consider this triangle. ABC triangle. So, and this angle is equal. This side opposite. Okay, sides opposite angles are is it equal? Sides opposite angles are is it equal? So that's why sides are is it equal? Both sides are is it equal? S is equal. Any two sides are is it equal? What's the triangle? Isosceles triangle. So therefore triangle of ABC is an isosceles triangle. Yes, isosceles triangle. Is it correct or not, Gagan sir? Tell me the answer.
Correct.
Hence it is fluid. Are you clear? Are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Since by using the RH congruence rules, these two triangles are is it congruence triangles, and these sides is also equal only. These two sides is also equal, so that's why this is the isosceles triangle only. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this problem solution is over, and next we will move on to the next question. Triangle of ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Show that angle of B is equal to angle of C. Hint: draw AP perpendicular BC. Use RHS congruence rule. Yeah, this is the question is given. First I will explain this question, Gagan sir. What is given, what is asked. In this triangle ABC is isosceles triangle is given. AB is equal to AC. Isosceles triangle is, whenever the isosceles triangle is given in ABC triangle, AB is equal to AC. You know that only, that point is given only. This point is given and you have to show that this one only. Angle B is equal to angle C only. One hint is give. Draw a AP is perpendicular to BC. Use this congruence rule. Okay. Rules is also mentioning there in this given problem only. So that's why according to the RHS congruence rules, we have to show that these two angles are is it equal. You have to show that one. Okay. We need to prove that. And we have to show that. This is also to show. To prove. Okay. Let the solution for this problem. First given data, how to write it in our given problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC. Hint: draw AP is a perpendicular BC and use the RHS congruence rules and show that show that these two angles are is it equal. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
Let the solution for this problem. Gagan sir, be carefully listen but neatly. Triangle of ABC is an isosceles triangle. Or from this figure.
Yes.
Triangle. What's the AB is equal to AC is given. This point is given, and next is the AP is perpendicular to BC is given. Okay. And next Draw the first ABC isosceles triangle. How to draw? Here this is the ABC isosceles triangle. Next is the AP, not AD, AP. AP is perpendicular to BC. Okay, first you have to draw the one line. This is the perpendicular line, AP line. AP is line perpendicular to BC1. Okay, that is the AP. That is nothing but AP is perpendicular to BC1. Okay, this like one. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, next one, how to prove that angle of B is equal to angle of C only, since using the RHS congruence rule. So how many triangles are is divided here? It is two triangles. What's the triangles? ABP one triangle, another triangle is the APC triangle. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, this is the perpendicular symbol. Right? Now let us take these two triangles. What's the triangles? In triangle of, what's the ABP, ABP, and the triangle is, what's the another triangle? APC, triangle of APC. Are you clear? In these two triangles, what's are given? What's the sides? What's the triangles? Here it is the ABP. So that's why here it is also ACP, not APC. Okay. Order is the very important. ABP and ACP only. Okay, are you clear? ACP. This is the ACP. It's correct order. Okay. AB is equal to AC is give. Why it is equal? These two sides. Are you understood? Why it is equal? These two are is the given only. Given problem. Given. These two sides are is given in given problem only. So that's why equal. And next AP. AP is equal to AP. In these two triangles, which side is common? AP side is common. Okay. This side ABP and the next ACP. So that's why this side is common only. So that's why AP is equal AP. This is common. This is the common side. Why it is equal? Are you understood? Common side. Okay. What's the angle? In these two triangles, what's the angle are equal? APB is equal to APC angle. Equal. Why it is equal? This is the perpendicular only. AP is perpendicular to BC only. So that's why, yeah, these two triangles are, is it equal? So triangle of APB is equal triangle of APC. Why it is equal? Are you understood? Since AP is perpendicular to BC. Are clear? Are clear, Kakansai? Yeah, these two are, is it equal? Now we have, yeah, one side. Here it is the one side angle. So side angle. So what's the congruence rules are using here? It is already mentioning there in given problem. RHS congruence rule. So here it is the SAS congruence rule. Is it possible or not? Once check it only in this problem. Okay, see, look at this figure, Gagansai. ABP. This problem is one side angle side, but here this side is here it is in these two angles. This is included. Is it included? No, it is not included only. This angle is not included only. Between these two sides, angle is not included only. So that's why here this is possible. SAS rule is possible. No, it is not possible only. What's the rule or is satisfied here? It is RHS rule. Is it satisfied or not? So since by using already hint is given only, RHS rules, congruence rules are using only. Is it satisfied or not? Once you check it only. So perpendicular finger opposite side is hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, and next this is also hypotenuse. Okay. And next right, what's the RHS means is the right angle hypotenuse side only. So right angle is it there? Yes, is there only. Once you check these two triangles, right angle is there in these two triangles, this and this one is satisfied only. Hypotenuse is there? Yes, this is also is there. Next, what's the side? Side is also this side and this side. So side is also satisfied only. So that's why according to the RHS congruence rules, these two triangles are, is it a congruence rules?
Yes.
As congruence triangles only. So that's why, therefore are sins only. Therefore triangle of ABP congruence to triangle of ACP only. Since using the RHS congruence rule. Okay, these two are, is it equal? Next, apart from anything is there, is nothing there only. So that's why by CPCT these two are angles are, is it equal? Yes, is it equal only. Whenever these two triangles are, is it congruent, all are the sides and angles are is also equal only. So angle of A is equal to angle of A. This angle is a common angle only. So angle of B is equal to angle of C only. So that's why angle of B is equal to angle of C. Okay. We need to do this prove only. So that's why since by using CPCT. Okay. By CPCT these two angles are, is it equal? This angle and this angle. Okay. Are you clear? CPCT of this one only, these two triangles. So a angle of B is equal to angle of C only. So we have to show that this one only. So it is proved. Yes, it is proved only. Okay, are you clear? Hence it is proved. Are you clear? Yeah, this problem solution is over. Order is also check it gagan. So AB is equal to AC. So this side and this side is also equal, and AP is equal to AP. AP is equal to AP as common side is it equal. And next what's the here it is the angle B is equal to angle C. So angle is also equal only. So that's why all are that equal only. So that's why this problem solution is over. Hence it is proved this problem solution is over. The 1 to 4 problems is over. Today's my class is over. Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye.